Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today, we have two stories: betting on drug trials and a fight over who pays for AI power. To help you follow today's episode, full transcripts and vocabulary lookups are available at LinguaWire.com. Betting on clinical trials. Now we go to Ethan, our LinguaWire correspondent for business.
Some doctors and researchers are very upset.
It does sound like a strange idea.
Yes, two betting sites now let people bet on drug trials. The sites are Kalshi and Polymarket.
Betting on a patient's treatment feels cold.
That is exactly the worry. The bets are about whether a trial works. They are also about whether a new medicine gets approval.
So people can win money if a trial fails?
Yes, and that is why some experts are alarmed. One father said that makes patients the real losers.
What do researchers fear most?
They fear someone could change a trial result. If money is tied to the result, trust can fall. A trial needs clean data and careful work.
Clean data sounds very important here.
It is. One researcher said small changes can affect safety. For example, a person could change how a drug is given.
And the companies say something different, right?
They do. Kalshi says the bets can give useful information. It says that may help investors choose new drugs.
So this is not only a money story.
No, it is also about patience and trust. That is why the argument is so strong.
A fight over who pays for AI power. Now we go to Chloe, our LinguaWire correspondent for technology.
A big power company in Nevada is suing a data center company.
That sounds like a fight over money.
It is. The power company says the data center should pay more. The case is about new power lines and other work.
Why does a data center need so much power?
Because the two planned sites need a huge amount of electricity. Together, they would use more than 2 gigawatts. That is close to 1/3 of the power company's supply.
That is a very large demand.
Yes, and the company worries about higher prices for families. It says regular customers should not pay for that work.
What does the data center company say?
It says the power company is not giving power as promised. It also says it has already spent more than $127 million. And it says it will spend nearly $1 billion more.
So both sides say the other side is unfair.
Exactly. The power company says this is now a public issue. The data center company says the power company is using a public fight.
Is this story bigger than Nevada?
Yes, because many places are seeing more data centers. This case could help decide who pays next time. That is why people are watching it closely.
Three words from the second story. 1. Demand. It means the amount of power or need. In the story, the data center had a huge demand for electricity. Example: the shop cannot meet the demand today. 2. Rates. It means the price people pay for power or service. In the story, the company worried that rates could go up. Example: Our phone rates are lower this month. 3. Customers. It means the people who buy a service. In the story, the company said customers should not pay the extra cost. Example: the store has many customers after work. Grammar focus: be going to. We use be going to when we talk about a plan or a future result. Example 1. The company is going to spend more money. Example 2. The case is going to affect many customers. Repeat after me. Is going to. Thank you for listening to today's episode. Today, we ask one small favor. LinguaWire only launched in March, and right now, word of mouth is everything to our small team. If you know someone who loves the news and wants to learn English, or any of our 6 languages, send them this episode. It's the best way to help us grow and improve our service.